Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Sorry for not uploading, I guess. I've been guys very busy and I have a good excuse, I can say. But basically I have decided like to upload like every week 2 times or 3 times at most, but I don't want to like talk to you one on one. If you want, I can do that as well, but I just want to provide value on like how to find the winning products, and that video is guys coming tomorrow. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm running like 3 stores at the moment, and my other store did over $1 million. So I'm planning an exit on that store, and I have 2 other stores that I'm currently running, and but just I have been like all of you guys having problem with Facebook bans, but I have a contact with the agency and I'm getting a good deal out of it, kind of. And it's like I don't have that much problem with Facebook anymore. Like with the situation with Facebook, you have to understand that after iOS 14 update, Facebook is removing people. I mean, you may be questioning like why is that? Because Facebook, like if you say Facebook had 100 people in the Facebook and you paid for those for those 100 people to see your ad, now that 100 people is 40 people or 50 or 40 people. Thanks to iOS 14, Facebook can't track the people like that anymore. Like lookalike audiences is a lot worse. Interest targeting is better, but like expand works best at the moment, like for lookalikes or interest or anything, because like Facebook is getting better than that, but lookalikes are a lot worse. And sometimes you get a disclaimer when you're trying to make a lookalike audience says, yeah, your lookalikes maybe be lower, so that isn't irrelevant anymore. Facebook is like can't track your data anymore, and I have a contact with the coder developer that he takes like 5 to 6 hours to like he gets a password to my Shopify and my business manager. He do the coding stuff, then the data gets a little bit more relevant. So we say he's got 93-94% accuracy, so I can scale more. But I understand for some of you guys you cannot see anything. Like you can get 20 purchases but only see like 10, maybe 15. I don't know, maybe less. And that 5 purchases is very important to see where they come from so they can duplicate or scale. And yeah, so basically, so that 100 people is 50 now. So Facebook, and that for that 50 people, everybody, all of the advertisers in Facebook are fighting for them, right? Like bidding and everything. So Facebook removes the small like newbie people, not like newbie, but the people that don't spend that much. So Facebook just trying to remove the low tier people to like keep the audiences for the high level people that pay a lot in Facebook. I don't know if you understand. So they get the best customers because they spend the most money on Facebook. So Facebook want to invest in them and don't want to like make it kind of hard for them to get sale, because like if all of us which are like advertisers, we say like we are 300 advertisers fighting for 100 people. Now it's 300 advertisers fighting for 40 people. So Facebook trying to remove the low tier people. So these people that spend much more money, they get like more, they get more results, because you only can show 40 people at so much, so that's going to be difficult. And that's the reason that Facebook are doing this, getting those bans, ad accounts, and everything. But I got, for me, myself, for each store I have a different BM, different ID verified profile, different business manager, different page, different IP address. Guys, it's just a headache. Like it's just like only problem with like me or maybe you guys in the e-commerce is just it's not advertising, it's not finding the winning product or spending. It's just Facebook doesn't let you spend. So it's very hard. You have to warm up your pages, guys. If you open a new page for advertising a new store, just create a new page, don't touch it for 2 days. After 2 days, add some pictures, run page likes for $20 or something like that for one day. Then start to adding one creative, like scale it very slowly, like just keep warming up the page. But if you like try to scale very fast with the new page, that's going to be bad for you. The other thing I recommend you guys is to do is if you have any old page, another name, like if your store name is, I don't know, Nike.com and your page name is Santa Claus, you can still advertise it on that page. Don't page it Don't change the page name as well. That will give you flagged by Facebook, and you will get restricted or banned in 2 days or something like that, no less. But people don't care about what your page name is. If you're advertising like this product hand, and your page name is like, I don't know, a wedding or something like that, it's going to be very hard. And so what was that? Yeah, guys, sorry, my dad came. Yeah, so I forgot what I saw. So, but what was it I said? I'm sorry, guys, my dad disturbed me. But yeah, you have to warm up the page and take it very slowly. Otherwise, Facebook will ban you. So at the moment, the only problem is Facebook. But I have 3 stores that I'm currently running. I'm going to do 1 store with my friend, as I told you. And with this store that I'm going to run with my friend, we both know that it's like $1 million product, like it's consumable, and so people are going to buy it. So we want to make the best customer experience as possible. So from the beginning, we haven't even tested the product, but we know that it's going to work. So we are bulk purchasing the product in a warehouse. So in my friend warehouse that you have in Sweden. So from here, we're going to brand the product and send it and start to just advertise, and just doing the right way from the beginning. Just we have a little bit of money so we can invest in the business. But other than that, I found another very, very, very good product, guys. But like, I don't know if I can do it because I already have 3 stores and I'm spending like, I don't know how much. I spending like 10,000 euro, maybe 12,000 euro a week for each of them, and I have my money on hold on PayPal, on Klarna, and like all of this payment process that people mostly use. So that's kind of challenge for me, but mostly I've been focusing on business. I've been like stepping down from YouTube. It's because it's getting too much for me, and I don't know if I can handle this. Like, I'm already doing 3 stores in 3 different BMs. If one of them get down, I have to just start again. That's such a headache. I've been warming them up, and just everything is going very good at the moment. I'm thankful Facebook haven't blocked me yet, but I have ordered the ad as well as I showed you in the last video, but I haven't received them well yet. It takes like 2-3 weeks, something like that. So I'm starting TikTok ads as soon as possible. I'm just waiting for the creatives to come forward. I just have to leave Facebook. Just because Facebook is unstable at the moment. But the prices or CPMs are very cheap, guys. Like, there's nobody advertising at the moment. Everybody is blocked. So that's the one advantage you can have. But it's like kind of headache. Customer support is suck. So just Facebook is a headache. But yeah, guys, that's basically what I'm even up to. Just please listen to me when it comes to Facebook. I know what I'm talking about. I have received the good results in only 4 to 5 months in e-commerce. Like, I have did like so much, and it's not as hard as it seems. But if you do what your first $100,000, you know how to duplicate, multiply, and do it all over again. Just matter of time. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'm just trying to focus on business and take these to the next level. And the website, I took it to 1 million. At the moment, I'm talking to an investor that I'm going to sell the website to, but he have his conditions. So there's some conditions. You have to like see how much the profit is, how long is the product, is a seasonal product or not, and his product is going to sell over a year. Like, consistency, that's the things that's very important when you're going to sell your store to like a kind of big price. So you have to show all of this, and you cannot like do advertising and go down, go up again. You have to be consistent all the way. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just prove that this product is kind of everyday product, it's a forever green product, and yeah, it's going pretty good. I'm going to sell the store soon. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. If you have any question, please leave it down below in comments. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And the product research video will be uploaded tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned, and I will go through like from 1 to 0 what you should do. And this method I'm going to tell you tomorrow. I don't know this if there is anybody have talked about it, because all of these people are fake out here, and like, except Gabriel Saint Germain, and yeah, he's the only one that produce content that I know of. and yeah, his videos are pretty good, still relevant. All of his videos, there's so much for value. But I will give you like the 100% transparency of how I do my product research tomorrow. So stay tuned, and yeah, have a good day.